AI chatbots are like your super smart digital friends, until you totally mess it up. Want to get real value from AI and avoid sounding like a confused caveman yelling at a toaster? Then stick around for these 6 critical tips to avoid using AI chatbots all wrong. Let's go. Would you walk into a library and yell, "Tell me everything"? No? Then don't do it to your chatbot. Be specific. Instead of "tell me about history," try "summarize the causes of World War I in under 100 words." That's precision power. Chatbots are like genies. The better your wish, the better the magic. If you're lazy, you'll get lazy results. Think like a director, not just a user. It's artificial intelligence, not artificial telepathy. Don't assume it knows your life story. If you're writing a YouTube script, say that. If you want help with an email, say that. Clarity, my dear Watson. Would you stop after one question on Google? No, so keep digging. Ask why. Can you explain that simply? Or can you give an example? You're not annoying the AI, it's literally its job. Sure, AI is smart, but it doesn't know you, love you, or judge you. Yet. Don't get too personal, and definitely don't try to win arguments with it. You'll lose, and it doesn't even care. AI makes mistakes, big ones, like saying Napoleon invented TikTok-level mistakes. Always fact check. Use the info as a launch pad, not gospel. So there you have it, 6 tips to avoid chatbot chaos. Use AI the smart way, and you'll look like a genius, not a confused cat on a keyboard. If this helped, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and comment below. What's the weirdest thing you've asked a chatbot? We might feature it in the next video.